This is awkward.
What, filming?
Yeah.
Fun.
Well, this is a nice project we're gonna be starting here with my son Aaron. We just purchased the BMW X1, and it has some damage to the front end, as you can see. And we'll be trying to fix this up and try not to break the bank. Alright, so we got the hood off. Can't do any work anymore because we gotta wait for some more parts. Still waiting for a quote from BMW for some of the parts and whatnot. We're looking for some stuff. We ordered some stuff already. Yeah, there's a couple things that's a little annoying. Missing some air intake here. Yeah, nothing crazy. Everything seems to be intact. No leaks on the shocks either. We got all the harnesses intact too for the headlights when they come. Everything should be good, but we can't find a dipstick. We were gonna check the oil, but there's just no dipstick. We were looking for like 10 minutes. But yeah. So that's the progress right now. Doing good. Just got the hood off. Hood's right over there. And yeah.